Join me as I take on the challenge to make $300 today, and I'm sharing every step of the way. Making money quickly has become more relevant than ever in today's economy. With the rising cost of living and unexpected expenses popping up all the time, it's no wonder people are on the lookout for ways to earn some extra cash. You might be here because you're looking for a way to make some quick money, and I'm excited to share some ideas with you. We all face financial challenges at some point. Like, have you ever had to deal with an unexpected car repair or a medical bill that you didn't see coming? Those things can really throw a wrench in your budget. Then there are times when you just need some extra money for a special occasion or to cover some basic expenses. Whatever the reason, the need for quick cash is something many of us can relate to. Some people turn to selling items they no longer need, while others look for part-time gigs. You might have heard of people making money through online surveys, freelancing, or even renting out a room on Airbnb. These methods can work, but they often require a lot of effort or a specific skill set. One method that really stands out is selling products online. You can start by finding something you're good at making or something you're passionate about. It could be crafts, digital art, or even just reselling items you find at garage sales. The most impactful method I've found, though, is something called print on demand. It's a way to sell your designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without ever having to hold any inventory. You simply create your design, upload it to a platform, and when someone buys it, the platform produces and ships the product. It's a low-risk way to start an online business. To get started with print on demand, you can sign up for a platform like Redbubble or Teespring. These platforms are free to join and have a huge customer base. Once you're in, you can start creating your designs and adding them to various products. The best part is that you don't need any design experience. There are plenty of free resources and templates online to help you get started. If you're willing to put in a bit of effort up front, you can start seeing sales come in. And with the platforms handling production and shipping, you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs. Thanks for joining me on this challenge to make $300 today. I hope you found some useful tips and ideas to get you started. If you've had any experience with making quick money or have questions about getting started with print on demand, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other video for more tips and tricks on making money online.